A printed circuit board assembly, or PCBA, is an electronic product formed by mounting electronic components onto a PCB and electrically connecting them through soldering or press fitting. Electronic components are assembled on a PCBA either through quick automated assembly lines or manual processes. In single-sided PCBs, electronic components are assembled on only one side of the PCB. In double-sided PCBs, electronic components are assembled on both sides of the PCB. There are two broad technologies associated with a PCBA: through-hole technology, or THT, and surface mount technology, or SMT. In THT, through-hole devices, or THDs, are mounted by inserting the leads into designated holes and then soldering their ends on the backside, or opposite side, of the PCB. In SMT, surface mount devices, or SMDs, are mounted directly on their designated solder pads. The SMDs are then connected to the circuit by soldering them to solder pads on the same side of the PCB. The relatively small sizes of various SMDs have significantly contributed to the miniaturization of electronic devices. Assembling SMDs involves direct soldering, eliminating the need for drilling holes, bending leads, and cutting leads, which are required in mounting THDs. The many advantages of SMD make SMT the most prevalent modern technology in electronics manufacturing. The SMT assembly for a single-sided PCB involves applying solder paste to the areas where electronic components will be placed. Then, the electronic components are placed in designated locations manually or using automated pick-and-place machines. Next, the PCB is passed through a reflow oven to reflow the solder paste to create strong solder joints. Then, the PCBA produced is inspected to ensure the reliability of the newly formed solder joints. After the PCBA is completed, the individual PCBAs produced on a single panel must be separated. This is done by a process called depaneling. Finally, PCBAs are integrated into their housing along with additional mechanical or electronic devices as may be required. For double-sided PCBs, the assembly line requires either additional machines or a dual assembly line to mount electronic components on both sides. SMT provides for high automation of processes and high-volume manufacturing with repeatability and high reliability. In automated assembly lines, the PCB is transferred from one process to the next along a conveyor.